Hi, it's Scott with OrganiLock. It's August 30th, 2021. Another update. We missed our weekly, but we are at day 45. According to the papers on this, maturity is at day 81, so we're a little past halfway technically. Pollen's in full swing. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's dusting. Everything's silked out. Now we're in the waiting game and try to keep the worms off. But last weekend, or 4 days ago, we had a really hard rain here and it pushed a bunch of our plants down, which is sad, but we'll have a bunch left over when it's done. That's not a problem. But everything looks great. Just want to document that it's at full advertised height now. Very likely we're going to be 2 weeks early on harvest. And we're just going to spend a lot of time making sure that we get the worms blocked out if we can, because this time of year is really tough when it's hot and late in the season. But we're going to give it a good shot. We'll keep it short. So far, running great. We'll see you.